हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बी फार्मा सेकेंड सेमेस्टर का एक सब्जेक्ट है बायोकेमिस्ट्री। इसके कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हम देखने जा रहे हैं, तो चलिए हम देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज ग्लाइकोलिसिस इज द कन्वर्शन ऑफ, आंसर इज डी, ग्लूकोज इनटू पायरुवेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, द ईएमपी पाथवे इन यूकैरियोट्स यूजुअली टेक प्लेस इन, आंसर इज डी, साइटोसोल। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, these enzymes catalyzed the first step of glycolysis or the EMP pathway. Answer D, hexokinase. Question number 4. What is glycolysis? Answer A, utilization of glucose. Next question. Where does glycolysis occur? Answer A, cytosol. Question number 7. Which of the following is the first enzyme of glycolysis? Answer C, hexokinase. Question number 8. Which hormone stimulates glycolysis? Answer A, insulin. Question number 9. Which hormone inhibits glycolysis? Answer B, glucagon. Question number 10. Glycolysis is also known as, answer C, Embden-Meyerhof pathway या EMP pathway. Question number 11. Which process shares the same pathway as glycolysis but in opposite direction? Answer B, gluconeogenesis. Question number 12. Which of the intermediate of Krebs cycle is utilized in the formation of amino acids? Answer D, alpha ketogluteric acid. Question number 13. Acetyl coenzyme A is formed from pyruvate by reaction. Answer C, oxidative decarboxylation reaction. Question number 14. During RNA replication, hydrogen bond is broken down by, answer B, DNA helicase. Question number 15 is helicase are dependent on from energy. Answer A, ATP. Question number 16. The normal concentration of uric acid in the serum of adult in within the range of, answer A, 3 to 7 mg per dl. Question number 17. Glucose 6-phosphate enzyme is present in, answer A, liver and kidney. Question number 18. Bile acid is synthesized in, answer B, liver. Question number 19. DNA replication state with, answer D, small fragments of RNA. Question number 20. Type 3rd glycogen storage disease is known as, answer A, Cori disease. Question number 21. A compound which found in all living cells and play key role in energy transformation is, answer B, ATP. Next question 22. Cellular respiration is an example of exergonic reaction. Question number 23. Hypercholesterolemia is observed in the disorder, answer B, diabetes mellitus. Question number 24. Two monosaccharides are joined by, answer C, glycosidic bond. Question number 25. The synthesis of glucose from fat is called gluconeogenesis. Question number 26. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? Answer B, glycogen. Question number 27. The most abundant monosaccharide in nature is, answer B, glucose. Question number 28. The connecting link between HMP shunt and lipid synthesis, answer B, NADPH. Question number 29. Carbohydrates are precursor for many compounds, answer A, organic. Question number 13. Nucleus contains the genetic information material, answer B, DNA. Question number 31. Which of the following is general formula for monosaccharide? Answer C, CnH2nOn. Question number 32. Combination of apoenzyme and coenzyme products, answer B, holoenzyme. Question number 33. The enzyme production of protein digestion in GIT is, answer D, amino acids. Question number 34. Transamination is a, answer B, reversible process. Question number 35. An aromatic enzyme acid is, answer A, lysine. Question number 36. During RNA replication, hydrogen bond is broken down by? Answer B, DNA helicase enzyme. Question number 37. Which of the following is common compound shared by TCA cycle and urea cycle? Answer D, fumarate. Question number 38. End product of glycolysis is? Question number answer B, pyruvic acid. Question number 39. The synthesis of urea occurs in? Answer B, liver. Question number 40. The end product of purine metabolism in humans is? Answer B, uric acid. Question number 41. De novo synthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides occurs in? Answer B, cytosol. Next question is 42. Okazaki fragment is related to? Answer A, DNA synthesis. Question number 43. Transamination result in a product known as? Answer A, protein. Question number 44. Gut is a metabolic disorder of catabolism of? Answer B, purine. Question number 45. In DNA replication, the enzyme required in the first step is? Answer unibinding proteins. Question number 46. Double helical structure model of the DNA was proposed by? Answer C, Watson and Crick. Question number 47. In DNA molecule? Answer D, guanine content equal cytosine content. Question number 48. The following coenzyme is a nucleotide? Answer D, all of them. Question number 49. The nitrogenous base not present in DNA structure? Answer D, uracil. Question number 50. Inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable to? Answer D, all of them. Question number 51. ATP synthesized activity is associated with the mitochondrial enzyme complex? Answer A, 5 number. Question number 52. The reaction given two or more peptide linkage is? Answer biuret test. Question number 53. Name the compound with the greatest stand free energy? Answer D, phosphoenol pyruvate. Question number 54. The bond in protein structure that are not broken on denaturation? Answer B, peptide bond. Question number 55. The two final products in the beta oxidation of odd chain fatty acids are? Answer C, acetyl coenzyme A and propenyl coenzyme A. Question number 56. The connecting link between HMP shunt and lipid synthesis? Answer NADPH. Question number 57. RNA contain uracil, it is a? Answer nucleosides. Question number 58. Anticodon is present in? Answer B, tRNA. Question number 59. ATP stand for? Answer adenosine triphosphate. Question number 16. What is the full form of RNA? Answer A, ribonucleic acid. Question number 61. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. Question number 62. What is the other name of Krebs cycle? Answer citric acid cycle. Question number 63. The key enzyme in the regulation of fatty acid synthesis? Answer A, acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. Question number 64. Chylomicrons are synthesized in? Answer intestine. Question number 65. Where are ketone bodies synthesized? Answer C, liver. Question number 66. The free fatty acids are transported by blood associated with? Answer C, albumin. Question number 67. The process of broken down of glycogen to glucose is known as? Answer glyconeogenesis. Question number 68. Citric acid cycle is also called? Answer Krebs cycle. Question number 69. Which of the following is not a part of nucleotides? Answer D, hexose sugar. Question number 17. All amino acids are optically active except? Answer A, glycine. Question number 71. The alpha and beta isomers of glucose are also called? Answer C, anomers. Question number 72. Which disaccharides is an invert sugar? Answer C, sucrose. Thank you so much for watching this video.